I've been struggling with acne on and off for about 20 years, and at first it was just simple acne, nothing too monumental. It wasn't debilitating to me, but after the birth of my third child, I started getting cystic acne, and I saw every dermatologist. I was on every antibiotic. I would go in and have injections in my face, and I finally was done with what doctors were telling me was the solution, because it wasn't the solution. And so I sought alternative means to healing my problem and started seeing a naturopath, and then found Dr. Dattner. And in 6 weeks' time, since I've been doing Dr. Dattner's protocol, with diet, with vitamins and supplements, I have no acne on my face, I have no cysts on my face, and I feel fantastic. So I finally feel like I'm on the path to healing, and I would urge anyone who has been struggling with acne to call Dr. Dattner, because he has the solution to healing your skin but also changing your life. So I am a big proponent of holistic dermatology and Dr. Dattner.